So check it out. We are at one of my rental properties. This place is getting a redo. There is my property manager, Shati, and our contractor, and Mr. Moyo. Guys, he's helping us. So we're turning this into a 2-bedroom, né? We bought it, and now what we're doing is this balcony, the body corporate said that we can close it off and turn it into a bedroom, right? So now we're taking this down, taking everything down, and from here onwards, we're putting a drywall, and we're gonna have a door out here and windows on the top there, so that this becomes a living room space. So the living room will actually start from here, and that whole area will become a living room space. And then we have to redo these cupboards. Our old tenants moved out. My old tenants moved out. This is a bedroom. So we're turning this into a 2-bedroom. And we bought it for 200,000 Rand cash. It's renting at 5,000 Rand a month. I'm not complaining. So this is the bathroom. We need to fix up the toilet as well. Yeah, so we're repainting everything, we're replacing doors, but the tiles are in great condition. We're just gonna get everything cleaned. We're replacing the door handles here from the old tenants. There's parking, so when you get downstairs, you can also ring people, but it comes with 2 parking bays, so it's such a perfect building. And then here, the cupboards and everything, they're in good condition, so we were advised not to do anything with them, just to clean up everything. The old tenants left quite a mess, right? So we're like in the process of cleaning and everything. So this is just an every Sunday for us, Shem. This is what we're doing. Property, like I'm loving it though. Like this is actually such a great property, because even if we got it, so how do I turn this around? I wanted to turn it around to face me. Oh, okay. So I was gonna say, this is Slati. We're also doing other property deals together. So even if we bought this property with bank money, it would have been 2,000 Rand a month in terms of mortgage if we did it with the bank, but we didn't, right? So I didn't do it with the bank, I just did it cash. But if we took a bank loan, it would have been 2,000 Rand a month. But then you're making 5,000 Rand a month on the property in terms of cash flow. So actually, yes, the elevator works. It has an elevator, and of course it's got the mini view. Yeah, so both bedrooms will have views of the city. We've had countless tenants wanting to be in here because the location, everything, it has not been,
even with the increased rental,
you know, so it hasn't been a problem. What else? Yeah, so we rent it out at 5,000 Rand, but if we'd taken out a mortgage, it would probably be 2,000 Rand a month. We'd be left with 3,000 Rand, then we pay levies. After levies, there would still be something like 2,000 Rand profit, which would literally be the equivalent of the bond itself. But without the bond, it literally turns out to be like a 4,000 Rand profit, and then we pay levies, so it's about 3,000 Rand profit, and then Klati takes her management fee. So it just works out. So like, I'm in love, hey?
Positive cash flow. Yeah.
Positive cash flow, guys. This is what we're about.
And there's actually other developments here to show that this community is growing. Did you see there's a building they're putting up just behind us?
Yes.
There's another one. Maybe you can turn the camera and just show them.
Let me show you guys. There's more buildings out in this place. So check it out. It's in the inner city.
It's in the inner city. This is brand new. As you can see, it's still empty.
So look, it's empty. They just started building because the demand is so big.
There's one just behind us.
There's one just behind us. And of course, you see the city everywhere. There's a little park. So that's why also people want it, because then they can go to the park out there and relax and jog and do things. And also you don't struggle for public transport out here. And you can see there's also like a rooftop vibe up there. So it's just like great. Anyway, just wanted to share with you guys. Have a fantastic Saturday. Sunday. Gosh, Sunday.
You work every day.
So guys, check it out. The apartment renovations are done. So this is it. Remember, that used to be a balcony out there. They're doing the last final touches. Tenants will move in on Sunday, I think, or Monday. Sorry, you had to think about that. But look at this. A whole new bedroom. Do you remember this was the balcony? See, you can see with the different tiles. That was the balcony. Now check it out. It's an actual 2-bedroom. There's a window over there. Look at this.
And this was the driveway.
Yeah.
With skirting.
It's with skirting. Check it out. And this is Mr. Moyo. He's our contractor, guys. Find out about him. Contact us. We'll give you his details. Look at it. It's a full thing. But look at the painting. Everything that's gone on here. So we went from a 1-bedroom to a 2-bedroom. Successfully, we're busy cleaning. Close this off, right? Because this used to go to the balcony. So now this door is closed off. You're coming to see that it's been a door before. So just check it out. 1-bedroom to 2 bedrooms. The bathroom is in the process of being redone. We have like a few final touches to do. But the only thing that's left, the bath is being redone, repainted, everything. But here we go. This will be the living room area. But it's actually quite massive, right? So here we go. The kitchen is still being done, but we're not adding anything to the kitchen, right? We're just like cleaning it up and just adding basic things. So this is it. A 1-bedroom renovation to a 2-bedroom renovation. Super happy. 1 bedroom here, the other bedroom that side, and closed balcony. Gorgeous views. And our income sort of doubles. So yeah, cheers.